Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video, I will say a few words about Django core, which is our the bare minimum Django starter that we are using for different experiments and other things related to our work and our development. Usually, quite often in the support, the community asks for simple things like how can I create a new application? How can I start a project using Docker? How can I deploy the project in production? Other things that usually we can demonstrate pretty easily using a super simple Django core without presenting things that are unrelated to the question. And like this, we decided to provide a bare minimum starter for Django that we will use it in the next few weeks, months, to demonstrate simple tasks like how can we add a new application, how can we update the dependency, how can add a model and migrate the database, how to go live, how to add Docker and other things. Okay, let's check out the code base. I will use my environment. Once the sources are here, I will open up the source code using VS Code, which is my daily basis development tool. So what's provided in this code base? We have here all the versions for the packages Django 4.2.8 and other libraries, the render and build .sh. Both files are used to deploy the project into the render deployment platform. I will demonstrate this in another video. We have here the Docker file and Docker Compose, which allows us to start locally the project without typing all the manual commands like create environment, make migrations, and start a server. Also, the project comes with static templates, static and templates directory, which are loaded from the local file system in case we want to have new pages. The directories are already configured. We have here a sample application which is named home, and the simple route that will serve the index a text response which returns the current date of the request. Let's start a project using Docker. In order to start and accommodate with the project, feel free to, so it's mandatory in fact, to go to the README and read carefully all the things from the file. And for this demonstration, I will start a project using Docker. But once the project is up and running, I will also follow up the manual instructions just to demonstrate that the project is quite easy to start and use. Okay, now the Docker setup is up and running. I will access the application in the browser. Okay, we are here, and we can see here that the current time of the request is always printed. We can go to the home application views and add a new text here. But in this case, we need to rerun the Docker to see the new text. But this will take only a few seconds. Okay, and now we can see here that the new text is there. So guys, this is the first video from regarding the Core Django project. We will add in the coming days new tutorials like how to deploy on render, how to add a new application, how to create a super user, how to access the admin section, how to add new models and other things. Also integrate a Mongo database and other things that are constantly requested in our community. For newcomers that are not familiar with AppSeed, we are a community with more than 2,000 developers. We have here a public Discord. Feel free to join. And also, if someone lands on an issue on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, feel free to ask for help here on the support page. We have an email and also a Discord, and we try to assist anyone. Guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye, guys.